tense night for fired APD Sgt. Adam Casaus and for the family of the young woman he's accused of killing by speeding through a red light.
The jury will be sleeping on a verdict tonight. News 13's Tina Jensen was at closing arguments today. She is live downtown at District Court. Tina?
Dean, that jury was not able to reach a verdict by the end of the day. Today, the judge told them if they don't find Casaus guilty of reckless driving, vehicular homicide, they do have another option.
He's to protect the public, not to endanger the public.
Prosecutors made their final case. Ashley Browder's life was taken and her sister injured because Adam Casaus recklessly sped through a red light in February 2013, adding that even if the off-duty APD sergeant was pursuing a dangerous driver, which no one could prove, it was still reckless.
The reason no one else heard sirens is because the defendant didn't turn his sirens on.
Attorney John D'Amato told jurors the state did not present enough witnesses or evidence to prove Casaus willfully disregarded the safety of others.
It's okay at the end of the day to say, we're fact finders. I don't have enough information to determine facts.
He also told the jury prosecutors based their whole case on a shoddy investigation.
He deserves more. He deserves more. The Browder family deserves better.
The judge instructed the jury that there are times a police officer can speed or run a red light, but reminded them it's not a free pass.
These exemptions do not relieve defendant while driving an authorized vehicle from the duty to drive with due regard for the safety of all persons.
He also said if they find him not guilty of vehicular homicide, they could consider careless driving a misdemeanor. As both families looked on, the judge gave the jury perhaps the most difficult instruction: to remove sympathy from the equation.
You must not concern yourself with the consequences of your verdict.
Casaus faces up to 9 years in prison if he's convicted of the more serious charges. For careless driving, it's up to a half-year max. Back to you.
All right, Tina, thank you. The jury will reconvene tomorrow morning for its first full day of deliberations. Of course, when that jury does make up its mind, News 13 will be ready to bring you the verdict and reaction on air and online at KRQE.com.